Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss about the word problem leading to the equations. Our first example today is the sum of three consecutive numbers is 24. Find the numbers. Now when we talk about the consecutive numbers are the numbers which comes together. For example, 3, 4, 5, they are three consecutive numbers. 9, 10, 11, 12, there are four consecutive numbers, and so on. So the general rule for the consecutive number is, if you have to write in terms of x, let the first term or the first number is x, then second will be x plus 1, and the third will be x plus 2. It's talking about sum, so let's add x plus 1 plus x plus 2. First term, second term, third term is 24. So if we add this, then x plus x plus x plus 1 plus 2 is 24. So 3x plus 3 is 24. We take 3 to the right side, so 3x will be 24 minus 3, that is 21. So x will be 21 over 3, that will be 7. So x will be 7 and x plus 1 will be 7 plus 1, that is 8, and x plus 2 will be 7 plus 2, so that is 9. So our consecutive numbers are 7, 8 and 9, and the sum of 7, 8 and 9 is 24. There's another method for you to know what those numbers are, although it's not going to give you any marks because there's no method in it, but you can check your answer. So suppose we have this three consecutive number, you add them. You add 7 plus 8 plus 9, that is 24, divided by 3. This thing will work only for three consecutive numbers, so you will get 8. So 8 is the middle number, so the previous to 8 it will be 7, and after 8 it will be 9. So that's how you can check your answer also. Now let's take another example. First we solve by this checking method and then we'll solve it. Our question is sum of three consecutive numbers is 231. Find the numbers. So let's check, because these are three consecutive numbers, so we can check this answer. 231 divided by 3, and you know this number is divisible by 3 because 2 plus 3 is 5 plus 1 is 6. If you add any number, 7 plus 3 plus 2, 7, 3, 10 and 2, 12, the sum is 12. So this number is definitely divisible by 3. So this one is divisible by 3, and we'll get 3 times 7 is 21 and 3 times 7 is 21. So your answer will be 77, 76 and 78. So these are the three consecutive numbers, 76, 77, 78, whose sum is 231. Now let's say the first number is, let first number or first term is equal to x, second term will be x plus 1, and the third term will be x plus 2. Their sum is 231. So x plus x plus 1 plus x plus 2 is equal to 231. Now we have x plus x plus x. So this is 3x plus 2 and 1 is 3 is equal to 231. So 3x will be 231 minus 3. So that will be 228. X will be 228 over 3. So it will be 7 t. So that is 76. So x will be 76, x plus 1 will be 76 plus 1 77, and x plus 2, that's 76 plus 2 is 78. So you can see that we are getting the same answer. This is the method to check, and this is how you are going to do in your paper. Now the next question is, ABC is a triangle whose angle A is 4x, B is 2x, and C is 3x. We have to find all the angles of a triangle. For this kind of a questions, if it is a triangle, you know that the sum of all angles of a triangle is 180. If it is a quadrilateral, the sum will be 360. If it is a pentagon, you add 180, you keeps on adding 180. So that is how we find the sum of any quadrilaterals, any polygon. So now we have these three angles. They are in a triangle. So 4x plus 2x plus 3x. These are three angles. Their sum must be 180 degree. Now we add this. These are all like terms. 4x plus 2x plus 3x. 4 plus 2, that is 4 plus 2 plus 3 x is equal to 180 degree. 9x will be 180 degree. So x is 180 degree over 9. So x will be 20 degree. Now angle A is equal to 4x and x is 20 degree. So this will be 4 multiply 20. So that is 80 degree. Angle B is 2x. So that is 2 multiply 20. So it will be 40 degree. Angle C is equal to 3x. That is 3 multiply 20. So that is 60 degree. And if you see, to check the answer, it is 180 degree. So your answer is correct. You always remember one thing: if it is a three-sided polygon, the angle sum will be 180. There's a one triangle only. This is a three-sided. There's a one triangle. Four-sided figure, if we talk about four-sided figure, the angle sum is 180 times 2. The reason is there are two triangles. This is 1 and this is 2. So this is 180 times 2. It is a 360. If it is a five-sided figure, now let's see, 1, 2. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. There are three triangles. So angle sum will be 540. So that's how you are going to use. You have to subtract 1 if it is 5 side, 5 minus 2, that is 3. So in the same way, if it is a 20 sided So the angle sum will be 180 multiplied by 20 sides, so we have 18 sides. If you have a question where there is an isosceles triangle, you know the isosceles, we have two sides equal, then if the sides are given 2x plus 3 and x plus 4 and x. So to solve this kind of a question, because this is a isosceles triangle, so these two sides are equal. So what you have to do is you can write 2x plus 3 is equal to x plus 4. So 2x minus x is equal to 4 minus 3. So x will be 1. So that's how you are going to solve this question. So x will be 1, this side is 1, this side is 5, and this side is 5. So if you come across this kind of a question, then sometimes they ask the perimeter. If the perimeter is given, then you have to add all the sides, but in that case the perimeter will be given. Now let's take another example. These are very common questions where the age of the father and the son is given and the relation is being told in the words. You have to form the equation and to solve it. Here the question says the father is 3 times as old as his son. So for that we have to make the equation. Let's say this is the father and this is son. So let's assume the age of father is y and the age of son is x. Now the father is 3 times as old as his son. For example, let's say the son is 10 years. The father will be 30. If son is 5, the father will be 15. It means what we are doing is we are multiplying 3 here. We are multiplying 3 here. So if we form equation here, we will write y is equal to 3x. We will not write x is equal to 3y. This will be wrong, as the age of son is smaller than compared to father. So you have to multiply in the son age of son. So first equation we have got is y is equal to 3x. That is the first relation we have got. Now let's study about the second line. The second line says in 14 years. So we concentrate here, in 14 years time. If father is y, then what will be age after 14 years? So age of the father after 14 years is, suppose the age of the father is 40. So after 14 years the age will be 40 plus 14. So it is y. So age will be y plus 14. That is the age of father. And the age of the son will be also x plus 14. So this is the age of the father and son after 14 years. Now he's saying he will be twice as old as his son. So who will be older? Father will be older. So where we have to multiply this 2? In the same way that we multiplied here, we are going to multiply it by 2. So he will be twice as old as his son. So we have got another equation, y plus 14 is equal to 2x plus 14. So y plus 14 is equal to 2x plus 28. But we know that y is equal to 3x. We have two variables here. Y is equal to 3x. So we will write here 3x plus 14 is equal to 2x plus 28. 3x and 2x. So 3x minus 2x is equal to 28 minus 14. We have changed the side of 2x this side, so it will become negative. We have put 14 this side, it will become negative. That's why these two are negatives. So 3x minus 2x is x is equal to 28 minus 14 is 14. So let's check. So how old is the father? This is father, this is son. So age of the son will be 14 and the age of father will be 14 multiply 3. So he's asking how old is the father. So father will be 42 years old. So that's how we solve this kind of a questions. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel Maths Rag.